Yeah. So today we'll discuss practical number 7, rank correlation coefficient. We will discuss. So all of you put the side heading or put the heading practical number 7. So practical number 6 we have discussed Carl-Pearson's correlation coefficient. We have finished that one. So today we'll complete practical number 7, that is rank correlation coefficient or Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So just put the heading practical number 7. Practical number 7, rank correlation coefficient. Rank correlation coefficient. Practical number 7, rank correlation coefficient. Yeah. So I think all of you know rank correlation coefficient. Previous class I have explained. So start writing. So write on the problem. Write on the problem. Calculate rank correlation coefficient. Calculate rank correlation coefficient. Calculate rank correlation coefficient to the following data. 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 Write on x values, y values. Write on the x values, y values. Write on the x values. 75, 72, 75, 87, 72, again 72, 65, 65, 12, and last value is 7. And last value is 7. 75, 72, 75, 87, 72, 72, 65, 65, 12, and last value is 7. Total how many values I have given? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 10 values, 4. 10 values I have given. So write on the y values. Write on the y values. 12, 18, 12, 12, 25, 25, 50, 62, 25, 17, 17. 12, 18, again 12, 12, 25, 25, 50, 50, 62, 25, 17. So total how many values? 3, 6 plus 4, 10 values. So this is the problem I have given. So I have repeated values more number of times so that if any problem is given, if you do this problem, then you can do any problem in rank correlation. Okay, that's why I have repeated values more than once. Okay, so write down. So practical means how many steps will be there? 4 steps will be there. Write down first step, aim. Put the siding, aim. So aim means for this particular problem, what you have to calculate. That is your aim. What you have to calculate? You have to calculate rank correlation coefficient. So write down aim. Write down the aim to calculate rank correlation coefficient. To calculate rank correlation coefficient. To calculate rank correlation coefficient to the given data. To calculate rank correlation coefficient to the given data. To calculate rank correlation coefficient to the given data. To the given data. Next. Next you have to write what are the formula and procedure you are using for solving this problem. Okay, so next put the siding formula and procedure. Put the siding formula and procedure. Formula and procedure. Formula and procedure. So yesterday I have told the previous class I have told the formulas for whenever values are repeated I have told the formula for row, that same formula I will copy now. Okay, so write formula and procedure. We know that Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. We know that Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Formula and procedure side heading. In that write down. We know that Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Spearman's rank correlation coefficient is denoted by rho. Spearman's rank correlation coefficient is denoted by rho, and is given by next line rho equal to what is the rho formula? I have told yesterday I have done one problem. So what is the rho formula? 1 minus 6 corrected summation d square. Corrected summation d square by n into n square minus 1. and D is given by next line rho equal to 1 minus 6 corrected summation D square divided by n into n minus 1. This one is separate. This term is separate. Okay. So 1 minus 6 corrected summation D square by n into n square minus 1. Where corrected summation D square equal to corrected summation D square equal to corrected summation D square equal to what is the corrected summation D square formula? Summation D square plus m into m square minus 12, 1 by 12. Where corrected summation D square equal to summation D square plus m into m square minus 1 by 12. M into m square minus 1 by 12. Where m is the tide rank. Where m is the tide rank. TIED. Where m is the tide rank. Where m is the tide rank. Now you have to calculate what is D square. So D square means first you have to calculate D. Next line. Next line. D equal to what is the D formula? All of you know D formula. Rx minus Ry. D equal to Rx minus Ry. D equal to Rx minus Ry. Last symbol small n. Small n is nothing but number of observations. Number of observations. N is number of observations. So these are the formulas we will use to calculate rho value, rank correlation coefficient. So rho formula, after that corrected summation D square. So you have to calculate D. D formula is Rx minus Ry. That means you have to calculate first ranks of X. Next you have to calculate ranks of Y. After that you have to calculate corrected summation D square because values are repeated. You will get corrected summation D square value. M is nothing but tide rank. So that means M values you have to identify in X series. What are the M values? In Y series, what are the M values you have to identify? After that, you can substitute in this formula. You will calculate corrected summation D square. So after that, you will calculate rho. Rho value you will get. All of you know the limits of rho is minus 1 to plus 1. That means your answer should be either minus 1 or plus 1 or in between minus 1 to plus 1. So this is the formula and procedure for this particular problem. So next, begin the calculation. Next heading, calculation. Calculation. Next heading, calculation. Calculation, first you have to identify n value. What is your n value in this particular problem? Right? Calculation. Given that n equal to 10. Given that n equal to 10. So n value equivalent to 10. Given that n equal to 10. Given that n equal to 10. So for calculation, you have given x values and you have given y values. Just copy the x values, y values as it is. So we begin the calculation. Calculation, first you have to write given that n equal to 10. After that, draw this table x values, y values. So x values are with you. What are the x values? 75, 72, 75, 87, 72, again 72, 65, again 65, 12, and last value is 7. Last value is 7. Similarly, y values, you can copy y values 12, 18, 18, 12, again 12, 25, again 25, next value 50, next value 62, next value 25, and last value is 17, 17. So like this, you have to copy the x values, y values. So if I know x values, y values, first you have to calculate D. For calculation of D, you require Rx and Ry. So ranks of X and ranks of Y. So next column required is Rx, ranks of X. Next column required is ranks of Y. If I know ranks of X and ranks of Y, I can calculate D. What is the D formula? Rx minus Ry. If I know D, I can calculate D square. So D square total is required. D square total is required. So Rx and Ry is very, very important. If you calculate these ranks correctly, then automatically the problem you will get correct. So in that, what is that? X series will be there. You have to identify M value. So X series, Y series. So X series, Y series, you will identify M values. Okay. So first I will assign the ranks now. So this is the X value. So I have to assign Rx, ranks of X. Now go for highest value. What is the highest value in this one? Highest value is 87. How many times 87 is there? Only one time. One time means there will be no problem. Directly assign rank number 1. Assign rank number 1. Next highest value. After 87, what is the next highest value? 75 is the next highest value. But how many times 75 is there? 75 is there 2 times. Sorry. 75 is there 2 times. 75, 75, 2 times it is there. So already rank number 1 is finished. Now which rank I have to assign? Second rank I have to assign. So if I want to assign second rank, there is a type for how many values? 2 values. So X series. So X series, there is a type for second rank. Second rank, there are 2 values type. That means what is that? Arithmetic mean of those things. That means what is that? 2 plus 3 by 2. Because second rank, there is a type. How many values repeated? 2 values repeated. So 2 plus 3 by 2. That means what is this value? This value is nothing but 2.5. So assign 2.5 for both the values. So assign 2.5 for both the values. 75 2.5, this 75 also 2.5. Now how many ranks are finished? See here, how many ranks are finished now? 3 ranks are finished. Now you have to assign 4th rank. Next highest value. 4th rank you have to assign next highest value. What is the next highest value? 72. How many times 72 is there? 1, 2, 3. 3 times it is there. 3 times 75 is there. So which rank I have to assign? I have to assign 3rd rank. 3 ranks are finished. Now I have to assign 4th rank. 4th rank, there is a type for how many values? 3 values there is a type. So take the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, what is that? 4 plus 5 plus 6 by 3, because 3 values type. 3 values type means 4 plus 5 plus 6 by 3. That means what is this one? 15 by 3. 15 by 3 means 5. Assign 5 for all the values. So 72. For this 72 rank number 5. For this 72 rank number 5. For this 72 rank number 5. Now how many ranks are finished? How many ranks are finished now? 6 ranks are finished. Now you have to assign 7th rank. 7th rank you have to assign. Now next highest value. After 72, what is the next highest value? 65. Now I have to assign which rank? 7th rank I have to assign. 6th rank is completed. 7th rank I have to assign. Again, 7th rank, there is a type for how many values? 7th rank I have to assign, but 265s are there. So again, 7th rank, type for 2 values. Same values are there. That means what is that? Take the arithmetic mean of that one. So take the arithmetic mean, what is that? 7 plus 8 by 2. 7 plus 8 by 2, because I have to assign 7th rank. 7th rank, there is a type for 2 values. So take the arithmetic mean, 7 plus 8 by 2. That means what is this value? This value is nothing but 7.5. So assign 7.5 for both the values. So 65, 7.5. This 65, 7.5. Now how many ranks are finished? Now see here. How many ranks are finished? 8 ranks are finished. 8 ranks are finished. Now we have to assign 9th rank. Next highest value. What is the next highest value? 12. How many times 12 is there? Only 1 time. 1 time means there will be no problem. Directly you can assign. So how many ranks are finished? 8 ranks are finished. Now I have to assign 9th rank. So for this 12, rank number 9. Next highest value. Next highest value and last highest value is 7 only. So 7 means next rank. What is the next rank? 10. Now I got Rx values. Similarly, you have to do Ry values. Ry values you have to do. That means see the Y observations. This is the Y observations. Again, procedure is same. Go for highest value. What is the highest value? Highest value is 62. How many times 62 is there? Only 1 time. 1 time means there will be no problem. Rank number 1. So 62 is completed. This one is completed. Next highest value. After 62, what is the highest value? 50. How many times 50 is there? Only 1 time. 1 time means there will be no problem. Directly you can assign second rank. Okay. So for this 50, second rank. 50 is completed. Next highest value. After 50, what is the next highest value? Next highest value is 25. After 50, next highest value is 25. But how many 25s are there? 1, 2, 3 25s are there. Already 2 ranks are finished. 2 ranks are finished. Now I have to assign rank number 3. Rank number 3, there is a type for how many values? 3 values. So take the arithmetic mean. So Y series. Y series means what is that? Rank number 3, I have to assign 3 values type. That means what is arithmetic mean? 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 3. That means 12 by, this is 9, 12 by 3. So 12 by 3 means what is that? 4. 12 by 3 means 4. So that means give rank number 4 to all the 25s. So 25 rank number 4, 25 rank number 4, 25 rank number 4. Now how many ranks are finished? How many ranks are finished here? 5 ranks are finished. Now you have to assign 6th rank. Next highest value. After 25, what is the highest value? Highest value is 18. How many times 18 is there? 18 only 1 time. So already 5 ranks are finished. So 1 time means 6th rank you can directly assign. So rank number 6. So after 18, what is the highest value? After 18, what is the highest value? 17. How many times 17 is there? Only 1 time. 1 time means there will be no problem. Directly you can assign rank number 7. 6 is completed. Next rank is 7. Okay. Next highest value. What is the next highest value? 12. But how many times 12 is there? See, 12, 12, 12. 3 times it is there. How many ranks are finished? 7 ranks are finished. Now I have to assign 8th rank. 8th rank, there is a type for how many values? 3 values. Take the arithmetic mean. So that means what is that? 8 plus 9 plus 10. Because I have to assign 8th rank. 8th rank, there is a tie for 3 values. 3 12s are there. So 8 plus 9 plus 10 by 3. So that means what is this value? This is 27 by 3. 27 by 3, 9. So assign all the 12s 9. So for this 12, 9. For this 12, 9. For this 12, 9. Now how many ranks are finished? 10 ranks are finished. You have 10 observations, 10 ranks are finished. You are not getting 10, but 10 ranks are finished here. So 10 ranks are finished, no observation left out. So that means you have completed Rx and Ry. Now you can do the calculation. So it is a simple calculation. Calculator is allowed for the examination. So D value you have to calculate. So D value 2.5 minus 9. 2.5 minus 9 means what is this value? 6.5. 6.5 minus 6.5. Just do the subtraction. 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 means minus 1. This is 2.5 minus 9. Again minus 6.5. This is 1 minus 9 minus 8. This is 5 minus 4 1. 5 minus 4 1. 7.5 minus 2. That means 5.5. 5.5. 7.5 minus 1. That means 6.5. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 means 5. 10 minus 7 minus 3. Minus 3. So like this you would calculate D values. So after that D square. D square means squares. So this is 25, 42. So 42.25. This is 1. This is again 42.25. This is 64. 1, 1. This is 25, 30. So 30.25. This is again 42.25. This is 25. And last value is 9. Take this total. This total is required. Can anyone add the total, add the values and tell me the total? Which one not 3? You got, all of you got 258? Is it correct or I have done any mistake? I hope all the values are correct. If it is correct, you got the total. Can you tell me the total? Because this is a general problem I have given. I don't have answer. 258. Everyone is saying 258. If everything is correct, then automatically this total you will get 258. I will assume that this total is 258. Now D square total you know. D square total you know. You can calculate corrected summation D square now. Is it clear, all of you? Everyone is getting 258. Sir, at D last value is 3, not minus 3. Okay, no problem. Anyway, you are doing D square. D square total is required. Okay, 258. Thank you. 258 is the total you will get. Okay. Now corrected summation D square. Calculate corrected summation D square. Before that, you have X series and Y series. Write these values also. Below the table, you can write X series, Y series. These are the X series values. These are the Y series values. Now I will write here. What is the M value in X series? M value will get X series is. What is the M value? M value is first value is 2. Next value is 3. Next value is 2. So M takes 2, 3, 2. Okay. In Y series, what is the M value? M value is nothing but 3. Again, this is 3. So M takes the values 2, 3, 2, 3, 3. So this is the M values. X series M values 3. Y series also M values 2. Okay. X series it takes 2, 3, 2. And Y series M takes 3, 3. This calculation should be there in the below the part. Otherwise, if you have space right side, you can keep it like that. X series, Y series. If you don't have space at the bottom, you can write. Okay. So now everything is calculated. Now I will calculate corrected summation D square. Now I will calculate corrected summation D square. Calculate corrected summation D square. So right. Therefore, corrected summation D square equal to corrected summation D square equal to summation D square plus M into M square minus 1 by 12. This is the formula. M into M square minus 1 by 12. So this is nothing but, what is the D square total you got? D square total is 258 plus, now you have to substitute all the M values one by one. One by one you have to substitute all the M values. So first I will substitute 2. That means what is that? 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12 plus, next value 3. 3 into 3 square minus 1 by 12 plus, last M value in X series. So 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12 plus, now X series is completed. Y series 3, 3. So 3 into 3 square minus 1 by 12 plus last value 3 into 3 square minus 1 by 12. X series 2, 3, 2. Y series 3, 3. That I have substituted. If you simplify, you will get the M value. Sorry, corrected summation D square value. Therefore, corrected summation d square equal to what is the summation d square? Summation d square is 258. Summation d square value 258 plus 2. First I will calculate this 2. 2 square means 4. 4 minus 1 means 3. 3 into 2 means 6. 6 by 12 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. And wherever 2 is there, you can write 0.5. Wherever 2 is there, you can write 0.5. For 3 calculations, see 3 calculation, 3 square minus 1, 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 into 3, 24. 24 divided by 12. 24 divided by 12 means 2. So 2 is there, you will get 0.5. 3 is there, you will get 2. Okay. So first 2 is there. That means what you will get 0.5. Plus whenever 3 is there, you will get 2 plus next 2 is there 0.5, next 3 is there 2, next 3 is there 2. So this is the calculation you will get. So finally, what is the corrected summation d square value? Corrected summation d square equal to 258 plus 2, 260, 260 plus 1, 261 plus 2 plus 4, 265. Corrected summation d square equal to 265. Now I know corrected summation d square. I can calculate rho value now. So therefore, rho equal to, what is the rho formula? 1 minus 6 corrected summation d square by n into n square minus 1. N into n square minus 1. This is nothing but rho equal to 1 minus 6 corrected summation d square 265 divided by n value. What is the n value? 10 into 10 square minus 1. Simplify it and tell me the rho value. Rho answer should be either equivalent to plus or minus 1. Equal to minus 1, otherwise equal to plus 1, otherwise in between minus 1 to plus 1. Yeah, if anyone simplified, just calculate the rho value and tell me the answer. Just calculate the rho value and tell me the answer. So all of you are getting minus 0.6061. So minus 0.6061. You are getting in negatives. Everyone is getting the same answer. Please respond if you got. If you have calculator, you can do the calculation part. Yeah. So minus 0.061. That means a negative correlation. Negative correlation is there. Minus means negative. Plus means positive. Okay. So right now, last step inference. Put the heading inference. Last one inference. Write down the inference. Inference is based on aim. Aim means what you have to calculate. Rho value you have to calculate. So inference means I have calculated the rho value. Right? Inference from the given data. Inference from the given data. From the given data. Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. From the given data, Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. From the given data, Spearman's rank correlation coefficient is given by rho equal to whatever answer you got. Rho equal to minus 0.6061. Minus 0.6